Laga. We got the flyer, draws for the LLED, rushing up down on the inside is a B open, in the middle portion with Gracious Host. Next in line is a Dare to Dream, while Go, Snake Go is the early trailer by about 5 lengths from back to front. Going back to the leader, B open now by about 3 lengths. Gracious Host in second, Dare to Dream rushing up down on the inside to take second. Go, Snake Go now improving and almost catching the third spot, while the flyer now in behind them. Be open just in front, then followed closely now by Dare to Dream. We've got Dare to Dream takes the lead over Be Open. Coming closer now in third is a Gracious Host together with Go, Snake Go alongside. 3:50 to travel. We have Dare to Dream, the leader by about 2 lengths, and down the stretch they come, and it's still Dare to Dream by about 3 lengths. Gracious Host now to take second and Be Open. Go, Snake Go, and the flyer, and hitting the finish line, it's going to be Dare to Dream. Gracious Host, Be Open, the flyer, and Go, Snake Go. Race number 7.